Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you three super easy ways to take screenshots on Windows. Whether you're gaming, working, or just want to save something quick, this will help you out. And don't skip, because at the end I'll show you a hidden trick most people don't know. First method is the classic one, the print screen button. Just press it once and boom, it captures your entire screen. Then open Paint or Word, press Paste, and there's your screenshot. Super simple, right? Second method is a bit cooler. Press Windows plus Shift plus S, and now you can drag and select exactly the part of the screen you want. No more cropping later, just grab what you need right away. Third one is one of my favorites. Hit Windows plus print screen, and Windows saves the screenshot automatically as a file. You'll find it inside the Pictures folder in Screenshots. Super useful when you need to save a bunch of images quickly. Bonus tip, use the snipping tool. It's already built into Windows. With it, you can set a timer, take delayed screenshots, or even draw and highlight things. Perfect if you want to explain something in detail. Quick note, sometimes people think the screenshot didn't work, but actually it's either saved in your clipboard or already in your screenshots folder. So always check there first before trying again. All right, now I want to know, which method do you use the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe for more PC tricks and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. More tutorials coming soon, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.